In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to restore lost Trello boards in our full 2025 guide. Losing access to your Trello boards can be frustrating, but the good news is that the process to restore them is straightforward and easy to follow. Let's dive right into the steps. First, open your preferred web browser and navigate to Trello.com. This will bring you directly to the homepage of Trello, where you can manage all your boards, workspaces, and much more. Once on the homepage, look for the login option, typically located in the upper right corner of the page, and click on it. This will prompt you to enter your login credentials. You have a couple of options here. You can either enter your Trello email address and password or simply log in using your Google account. If your Trello account is linked to Google, using that option can save you a little bit of time. Once you're logged in, you'll be directed to your Trello home screen. Now let's proceed to the Boards section. On the top menu, you'll see the option labeled Boards. Hover over it and a drop-down menu will appear. Here, click on your workspaces. This will list all the workspaces you're part of. Once in your workspaces, locate and click on the Boards tab. In the Boards section, you want to look for an option that says View Closed Boards. This is the crucial step because it's where you'll find the boards that are no longer active but haven't been permanently deleted. Click on this option and it will display all the boards that have been closed but are still retrievable. Next, scan through the list to find the board you wish to restore. Once located, you should notice an option to reopen next to each board. Click on Reopen for your desired board. After that, you will be prompted to select the workspace where you want this board to be placed. Choose the appropriate workspace that fits your needs. After selecting the workspace, you'll want to confirm your choice by clicking on Reopen Board. At this point, your board is accessible again. You might also notice an option called Highlight. While optional, clicking this can make your restored board more visibly prominent within the workspace, allowing team members to locate it more easily if needed. Once these steps are completed, you will see your restored board in the workspace you selected. It's back precisely where it belongs, ready for you to continue working on all those tasks and projects. By following these steps, you should be able to easily retrieve any lost Trello boards from your account. Remember, even if a board is closed, it's not gone forever. It can always be reopened and restored. Thanks for watching and happy organizing.